Yo, attention all you marketers, all you internet hustlers, anybody that's trying to make a Wi-Fi buck. Guys, really quick, let's get to the point of this video. Are you tired of having to split test landing page after landing page just to see what converts? Maybe you paid somebody like $2,000 to design a funnel for you. That's a lot of money. Or even the copy for you, another $2,000 on that. Well, guys, really quick, I have over 300 different landing page templates and over 60 different niches, guys. So I guarantee you we have the niche for you. I guarantee we have the landing page for you. And I guarantee you that these are going to convert or your money back or you don't deserve to get paid. Matter of fact, I want to make this offer just a little bit sweeter. Like, how can you possibly make this sweeter? Well, guys, I'm not only going to give you the actual landing page that converts, but I also want to drive sales for you. I want to give you this entire package. I call this a marketer package in a box. Marketing business in a box, guys. So not only are you going to get these landing pages, but we also have something I call the 2-week challenge. And what does the 2-week challenge do? Well, great question. What this is going to do is going to teach you within 2 weeks how to get your next customer, your next client, regardless if you have a service-based business or have a product-based business, whatever you're selling, whatever you're offering. I'm going to teach you exactly how to get your next customer or your next client without using a single dime in ads, guys. By using organic traffic, how to really hustle online. And realistically, it doesn't take a lot of time, a lot of effort in order for you to get your next customer, your next sale online. So guys, long story short, click the link down below. Make sure you check out those landing pages and make sure you check out the 2-week challenge where where I guarantee you or your money back, you'll get your next customer, your next client, utilizing organic methods, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Peace out.